Hi everyone, Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. In this video, I'm going to show you the area of where you can attach your rail rod system to your Bolex when you have a 200mm plus lens, and why. The area to add your rail rod system is here. First, you need to remove this leather or leatherette. To do so, take a screwdriver, catch an end of it and peel it off. That is going to expose these two screws. Next, remove these two flathead screws, turning them towards the left. And this exposes your two M6x1 thread mounts. And why do you need a rail rod system for a 200mm, 300mm plus lens? Let's explain that. And why do you need a rail rod support system for a 200mm, 300mm lens plus? Because the lens will be way too heavy for the turret. And bend it, the turret. You don't want that to happen. Make the turret wobbly, damage it, the spindle right there. So you need, for those heavy lenses, a rail rod support system. Alright, hope you've enjoyed this video. Do click the bell and subscribe. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Until next time, see ya!